Welcome to the WaterProof online course. In this course you will learn the basic concepts on which WaterProof has been developed, and you will have the basis to use the system and create your own case studies to calculate the return on investment of portfolios of nature-based solutions at the pre-feasibility level. As part of the course, you will have readings related to the concepts used by WaterProof for the analysis. You will have lessons through videos, quizzes to revive your learning, and a practical exercise on the platform. Our tutors will follow your learning process, and you will be able to interact with them to clarify doubts or for additional support. WaterProof has been developed by the Nature Conservancy with the idea of developing a high-level return on investment assessment tool, designed to provide stakeholders interested in nature-based solutions with a pre-feasibility indicative assessment regarding nature-based solutions potential. WaterProof is a global tool that includes the entire planet. This first version has a special emphasis on the analysis of return on investment in infrastructure of drinking water supply systems. But WaterProof is flexible to incorporate other types of infrastructure. Conceptually, the platform has several modules that allow the user to locate a city, define and configure water intakes, select or create new nature-based solutions, configure treatment plants or customize analysis infrastructure, define costs and create case studies, consult, compare, download and share results. Although the system can potentially support different models and analysis tools, for version 1.0 we have incorporated virtualized versions of RIOS, invest and return on investment models to be run in the cloud. We want to highlight that WaterProof is not just a viewer, it is a simulation tool that uses cloud computing to simulate scenarios. To bring some context about the challenge, watersheds are being degraded around the world, with dire impacts on water security. And nature-based solutions can preserve or restore degraded watersheds. However, today there is a lack of sufficient uptake and investment. And this is in part due to the complexity and time required to demonstrate a nature-based solutions portfolio's positive return on investment for water security outcomes. This is an important challenge, and it is also a significant first step required for unlocking at-scale funding commitments by public and private sectors. So, we have developed WaterProof as a solution at the pre-feasibility level, considering it to be fast. It rapidly develops a pre-feasibility understanding for how nature-based solutions can generate water security outcomes. Compelling, it presents clear analytics to promote stakeholder conversations. Customizable, the platform offers flexibility to define custom elements and parameters to approximate local conditions. Multi-currency, users can define costs in any currency and can combine currencies for their analysis. WaterProof updates the exchange rates each morning to use this information in calculations and currency exchanges. And finally, WaterProof is completely free. At the conceptual level, WaterProof uses global databases. We have conducted an extensive review of different global information sources, and we have evaluated their suitability for the purposes of the analysis. This information review has been documented and can be consulted as part of the system documentation. Version 1.0 of WaterProof uses virtualized versions for execution in a web environment of RIOS and Invest Models 2 software developed by the Natural Capital Project. And we use this models for the definition of nature-based solutions portfolios and estimation of benefits in ecosystem services. This first version of the platform includes the models for annual water yield, seasonal water yield, sediment delivery ratio, nutrient delivery ratio, and carbon storage and sequestration. WaterProof runs the models for a business-as-usual scenario and for a nature-based solutions implementation scenario. And using the results of the modeling, WaterProof calculates the savings or benefits using cost functions. The system has preloaded cost functions that describe the operation and maintenance costs of the analysis infrastructure elements. But the user can edit these cost functions or create their own cost functions. Finally, the system calculates all the costs associated with the implementation of the portfolio of nature-based solutions and compares them with the benefits to estimate the return on investment. So, we have integrated this analysis and calculation process to facilitate the calculation in a user-friendly platform that allows the user to perform the analysis in a simple way, including the possibility that the user can perform their analyses under 7 different climate scenarios, a historical climate scenario, and 6 climate change scenarios, 3 scenarios RCP 4.5, and 3 scenarios RCP 8.5. WaterProof is a fully documented system. We have produced a scientific publication that describes in detail all the information and methods that WaterProof uses for analysis. We invite you to consult this open access paper for more information. WaterProof version 1.0 is available at water-proof.org. In this course, we have prepared different modules that will allow you to learn about nature-based solutions for water security, mathematical modeling, financial analysis, and practical use of WaterProof. Welcome back to this online course.